wants to be a state champ.
Yeah.
You ever see anybody fight him like this?
No, not really.
That way the line.
I'll do that though, late ice, because because
they get caught on the
wears on the
freaking
bottom.
ice.
Yeah.
Yep. What is this guy doing? Would you take a rookie fishing with you?
Yeah.
It's just Chris Fish Outdoors reeling in silly. You're not supposed to fight him backwards and then he's underneath the ice.
He's still got a lot of line up.
Yeah. See that tree moving on the shoreline? That tree moving on the shoreline? That's what he's at. Yeah, you see.
Did you? Yeah. There is on the. Oh, that's a different one. That ain't your
Over
fish.
there.
There's a fish on your screen, but that ain't him.
No.
Another one on the screen.